that's practice making me get.
Bonjour et bienvenue à Learn French with Simpy. Hello and welcome to my channel Learn French with Simpy. Today we are going to learn French definite articles. In French, this is les articles définis. So basically, French articles are of different types, okay, but in English these are the same, that is the, and in French these are of 4 types, okay. So number 1, le, number 2, la, number 3, les, and number 4, l'apostrophe. All these have the same meaning, that is the. Now I'll tell you what does these indicate, okay. So le is for masculine singular, la is for feminine singular, les is for feminine masculine plural, and l'apostrophe is for vowel and h mute. For better understanding, let's take some examples. So in English, the boy, okay, but in French this is le garçon. Garçon, boy is masculine, that is why we will use le, because le indicate masculine singular. Now take another example. The girl, la fille. Fille is girl in French, so girl is feminine singular, la fille. The another one is plural. Let's take an example of plural form. Les bananes, the bananas, okay, les bananes. And for L apostrophe, l'eau, the water, l'eau, okay, l'eau. O is water, so l'eau. And now I'm going to give you some examples in sentences. So in English you say, I am looking for the phone, and in French this will be je cherche le téléphone. Je cherche le téléphone. The telephone. Telephone is masculine, so le téléphone. The another one is, where are the bathrooms? In French this will be où sont les toilettes? Bathroom. Bathroom is for plural form, so où sont les toilettes? Okay, les toilettes, the bathrooms, okay. And number 3 is, I am not working on the computer, okay, on the computer. I am not working on the computer, and this will be in French, je ne travaille pas à l'ordinateur. Ordinateur, computer in French, ordinateur, and it starts from the vowel O, then we have to use l'apostrophe, so ordinateur, l'ordinateur. Je ne travaille pas à l'ordinateur. I'm not working on the computer. Hey guys, if you like my videos, then do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. And if you have any doubt, please comment in my comment box, okay. Merci, au revoir.